There is something that I don't like about my Sisterlocks. Good morning. Getting ready to go out to the salon. Usually a salon is not open in this area on Monday. It's Thanksgiving week and I'm ready to go out. I have one appointment today that I'm going to take care of for a retightening and I'll be free. Thank you, subscribers, for all that you're doing to help me promote this channel and grow this channel. I am very happy with the numbers that I'm seeing, and I give you credit for that. It is because of your support that I know that this channel is growing, and I just wanted to say thank you. And then ask this one question. If you're watching this video and have not subscribed to this channel, then what are you waiting on? What are you waiting on? I'm taking down the results of my braid and banding before my retightening on Friday. Today is Monday. There is something that I don't like about my Sisterlocks. Or really just one thing that I don't like about my hair. And if you've been watching my videos for a while, then you already know what it is that I don't like. I don't like the frizz. And I've been fighting the frizz for as long as this gray has been coming in. And that's where the frizz usually comes in. I'm trying to cover the frizz or get rid of the frizz or combat the frizz or just make it look a little bit less. Because although I love my hair in my Sisterlocks and I love the compliments that I get, most people don't pay attention to all the frizz that I get in the top and right here. So what I did last night was I sprayed my hair with the Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Hold and Shine Moisture Mist. This product claims to be for thick, curly hair. It says that it is anti-frizz, moisture and shine anti-frizz. So I decided to put about 5 plaits in my hair and I'm going to take it out and I'm going to do this real quick and see how it affected the frizz that hangs out in my hair. Now, if you notice, I did not manipulate my hair after taking out the braids because I did not want to cause any frizz to come back, because my gray hair is so disrespectful. It just is. I'm going to give you a closer look, because I do believe that the anti-frizz spray did make a difference in the top, because my hair was really, if you see there's a few here that's sticking up, I may do 2 layers next time of the braids to make sure that there's less frizz. But right now I'm pretty much pleased with the way my hair looks. I had a retightening done a few days ago, which also helps in this anti-frizz process. But this is a sister who loves her locks. I love my family, I love my friends, I love my subscribers and my followers, but I especially love God, because he's been so good to me. His mercies are new every morning. He is who he said he is in my life. I believe him to be the blesser of my soul, my life, and all that is to come. Have a great day. And now my 360. I have a short day, so this is my outfit for today. My work shoes, which are much more comfortable, is in the salon. Loving this outfit.